Welcome to the Notification Delivery video. This video will show the user how to access the Notification Delivery Report and its features. In the Client Portal, select Notification Delivery Report from the Reports drop-down menu. The screen will default to the current date's activity. The date range can be changed by clicking on the date range and selecting the new dates. When the arrow to the left of data is clicked, a new line with more information will display. Recipient name, message type, and status detail are shown. By default, all information for client users is displayed. To narrow the search, click the Filters drop-down icon at the top. The Notification Delivery Report can be filtered by recipient by entering a valid email address or 10-digit phone number, by message type, all, email, or SMS, and by status, all, delivered, or undelivered. The Notification Delivery Report can be downloaded into a CSV file and will show the same information as in the Client Portal.